draw a bat. Like that. Now, first we will need two pieces of paper. Here's one for you and one for me. And now we will need color pens. And this is a time challenge. We both get 20 seconds each. 3, 2, 1, 20 seconds start! Comment below to tell us who you think will win. Now see the clock. Come on, just show 20 seconds is about to get finished. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Everybody, pens down. Just show pens down. And move. Now, at the count of 3, 2, 1, reveal our painting. Here. Come on, Tisha, please. Here. And what do you think is the better picture? Please comment below to tell us. Draw. For our next challenge, Tisha, what should we draw? Maybe a butterfly. Okay. Game on. Another 2 sheets of paper. I'm not forgetting, I'm waiting. Now since we have our papers, why not we use new colors? Okay, now here are our colors. Wow, really? Masterpiece. And then it's mana. And then it can be thick or thin. And there's so many colors. I have to open this. How to open it? You can ask a grown up to open it. You need to use literally a cutter to open it. Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam. Now we've got our colors. With our eraser. That's not an eraser. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Butterfly start. I need black. I need bread. Why would she need bread to color? We are making a butterfly! Oh, we must complete in 20 seconds. 20 seconds? Oh, come on. Quickly. But how? I got my cover loose. Cover underneath. I saw you. Look, what is this? Is this rain color? I'm gonna keep it. Yeah. Oh my god, it's so hard to draw the butterfly. It's so hard to draw it. You got 10 seconds and not done. No, it's not done. 10 seconds is not done. Seriously, give us some more time. Seriously, give us some short time off. Short time off. I'm going to Don't mind her. I'm doing as fast as I can. Yeah, Mama, we are. And I'm almost done already. This needs some brush. Sorry for putting you on hold, everybody who's watching this. Pens down! Oi, don't show. We will reveal our painting. Reveal! Which one is so nice? Which one? Let's see each other. Let's walk to trick the... Oi, show my painting. Don't you dare spoil it. So this is hers and this is mine. So which is better? Anyways, comment below to tell us. And so far we have 1 point each. Let's see who wins this round. And the entire game. For this one, we must print Thankyou on our paper. We are decorated and your choice for the best. So what are we waiting for? Let's start. Okay. Quickly. You are ready, same color, Trisha. I need that color, Trisha. You the color. You the color. Can you leave it second, please? Just don't worry, you have to close it. So, 3, 2, 1. Ba-ba-ba. Pens down. Trisha, pens down. Pens down. She is very slow. 3, 2, 1. Reveal. Thankyou. It's for you. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, please comment below and like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in our next video.